get the right map up there. I want to show you. I'm over trying to deal with this coughing attack and run a little behind.
That's okay.
All right.
I'll help out if I can.
Thank you. Temperatures today out of sight. Like I said, we've never had an April 1st this hot before, and we've been tracking these afternoon temperatures both on our website, KXAN.com, and using our live WeatherNet stations there, too. For example, this one at Chuck Nash Auto Group, you can see it's clear down there in San Marcos. Look at the temperature there in San Marcos right now. 95 degrees there at the auto dealership. You can always, by the way, track these cameras and the weather conditions in any of our live WeatherNet locations by going to local webcams right there under KXAN.com's weather menu. Well, this is it here. Pardon me. The numbers today, let's look at them one more time. I know I showed you earlier, but this is worth a second look. 93 degrees, the record high temperature today in the city. 92 out at the airport. Again, never have we been this warm on an April 1 in the past. Here's a look at our evening planning forecast. Let me get this picture right behind you. Well, it's a Friday. Can you tell it's a Friday? All right, 92 right now. We're seeing clear skies over the city. 80 degrees at 8 o'clock tonight still. And at 10 o'clock, 75 degrees is our forecast. Out there right now, 97 in Llano. We've seen 98 degrees on one of the LCRA thermometers just outside of Llano, right there on the Llano River. Low 90s in the metro area and upper 80s, low 90s out to the east. 92 currently in the city, mostly clear, and 92 out at the airport with mostly clear skies. Why are we so hot today? Two reasons. South-southwesterly wind is always a dry wind for us and kind of a downsloping wind coming out of higher terrain. That heats your temperature up a little bit, and that's what we're seeing this afternoon. Sunset, by the way, at 10 till 8 tonight. And there's a little front to the north, too, that results sometimes in hotter temperatures out ahead of it due to what's called compressional warming, and we saw a little bit of that today, too. Pollen count today. I swear this oak is going to be the death of me. 2,968. At least it's not 7,000 like it was 2 days ago, but it just won't relent right now, and we're not expecting much improvement in your allergy forecast for Saturday. Around the state, we're not alone. It's 94 in San Angelo. It's 93 degrees down in San Antonio. Record high temperature down there, too. Not very many clouds in the state currently. The jet stream pattern shifting in such a way that we will see a very warm and dry weekend down here. We talked about yesterday a chance of some rain on Monday. That is not looking as likely right now. We do have a chance, but the next storm system coming our way looks like it's going to move a little farther to the north than the computer models originally projected. And that's happened repeatedly over the last couple of months. So the models think it's going to rain and then it doesn't. Lows tonight, upper 60s. Very, very mild. High temperatures tomorrow. Not as hot as today. That front's going to back up, and we'll have more of a south-southeast wind tomorrow, so mid-80s tomorrow. It'll be a little more reasonable. Tonight, let's look for low clouds and 66. Tomorrow, we start the day with some light fog and low clouds, and then still warm in the afternoon, 85, with a partly cloudy sky. And I'm going to have that 7-day forecast for you in just a couple of minutes.